The Jacob & Company Twin-Turbo Furious Sapphire Crystal Red is an extraordinary luxury watch showcasing advanced horological technology and striking design. Encased in transparent sapphire crystal, the watch reveals a complex triple-axis tourbillon movement and decimal-minute repeater, delivering exceptional precision and functionality. The bold red accents add a dynamic flair to the aesthetic, enhancing its visual appeal against the transparent backdrop. Crafted with meticulous artistry and attention to detail, this limited edition timepiece represents the pinnacle of watchmaking innovation and is highly sought after by collectors for its technical prowess and unique design. The twin-turbo Furious exemplifies Jacob & Company's commitment to pushing boundaries in haute horology, making it a coveted piece among enthusiasts appreciative of cutting-edge and exclusive timepieces.